Thermostat not turning on? That's super frustrating, but there are some quick things you can check before calling in a pro. Alright, first off, make sure your thermostat is actually getting power. Sometimes the power switch near the thermostat or the circuit breaker might be flipped off without you realizing it. If it's battery operated, don't just assume the batteries are fine. Swap them out, even if they look okay. Next, try resetting the thermostat by following the manual or pressing the reset button if it has one. This can clear out any weird glitches. Also, check if the display screen is completely blank or just dim, because that tells you if it's a power issue or maybe something else. If you have a smart thermostat, sometimes the Wi-Fi connection can mess things up, so reconnecting it might help. Another thing is to inspect the wiring if you feel comfortable doing so. Loose wires can stop the thermostat from turning on, but be careful not to mess with anything you don't know. If your thermostat is old, it might just be time for an upgrade, since tech wears out over time. Lastly, don't forget to check for any software updates if your thermostat has that feature, because outdated software can cause it to freeze or not work right. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their thermostat won't turn on is ignoring the power supply. Either a tripped breaker or a turned off switch can be the culprit, so always check those first. Another common issue is running old or dead batteries without replacing them regularly, which stops the thermostat from getting power and showing anything on screen. Swapping batteries every 6 months usually keeps things smooth. The third problem is skipping the reset step. Many folks don't realize that a simple reset can fix bugs and glitches that make the thermostat act like it's dead. Fixing these usually involves checking your breaker box, keeping fresh batteries on hand, and hitting that reset button or following the manual steps to refresh the system. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, contractors benefit by finding steady work from folks nearby looking for help with home projects like fixing or replacing thermostats.